A coal-carrying train heading from Wyoming to Chicago has derailed in the Wisconsin town of Caledonia. Aerial footage of the scene showed a number of cars sustained heavy damage amid mangled tracks and spilt coal. According to a spokesman for the Union Pacific Railroad, 19 of the 135 cars flew off the tracks, although thankfully there were no injuries and no hazardous substances released. The Caledonia Police Department said one of the roads could be closed for up to 2 days while they work to clear the scene, with an investigation underway to determine what caused the derailment.